Zara, you look very happy. What's the matter?
Walaikum assalam. Yeah, Appy, I just got my first semester results and see the scores. How much my English performance has improved since I have joined Eagle Academy.
That's a great news. Mummy and Abu will be very happy with this. And yes, you are correct. I have also improved quite a lot in English since I am a part of Eagle Academy.
Yes, remember how challenging grammar used to be and the usual carpet reading comprehension. But now, it does not look that difficult.
That's right. I'm so glad we are a part of it. Anyways, I have a plan to surprise Mama during this Eid.
Really? What's that, Appy?
I am planning that we both clean the house so as to not cause any trouble to Mama.
Mama would love this. And I think we should help her in other tasks too.
Sure.
But how can we start?
In my opinion, we can start by cleaning our own rooms and then the whole house. What do you think?
Yes, and moreover, we should get rid of the things we don't need or use anymore.
That's right. We have so many toys we don't play with or books from the previous class.
Yeah, and the clothes too that we don't fit us or we don't fit in those clothes. But Appy, what would we do with all the stuff?
I think we can donate it to needy children so they can also have a happy Eid.
This is really a great idea. And Appy, is not better if we use our piggy bank collection to buy a new clothes for our maid daughter on this Eid?
Yes, we should. We have always been taught to do sadaqah. We will tell it to Mama and I am sure she will be very happy when hearing this.
Okay, Appy. Let's promise that once we are done with all the cleaning, we will not create any mess for Mama and will keep things at the proper place always after use.
Yes, I promise. Let's get started to work.
Yes, sure. Let's begin.
Here we will stop our conversation.
Assalamu alaikum.